Today, we're diving into the incredible world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on one of nature's most powerful spices, turmeric. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to relieve pain, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use turmeric for instant pain relief. Whether you're dealing with a headache, sore muscles, or even joint pain, turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The magic behind this bright yellow spice lies in its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce swelling and alleviate pain. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use turmeric for pain relief is by making golden milk. This soothing drink not only tastes great, but also works wonders on inflammation and pain. Here's how you can make it at home. Start by heating 1 cup of milk in a saucepan. You can use any type of milk, dairy, almond, or coconut, depending on your preference. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the milk. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, we'll also add a pinch of black pepper. This might sound strange, but black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2000%. For added flavor and even more health benefits, you can mix in a little honey or maple syrup and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir the mixture well, letting it simmer for a few minutes. Once it's heated through, pour it into your favorite mug and enjoy. Not only does this drink taste comforting, but it also starts working quickly to ease pain. It's great for soothing sore muscles after a workout or reducing joint pain if you suffer from conditions like arthritis. Plus, the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help with headaches too. Now, let's talk about another way to use turmeric for pain relief, this time for external use. If you have a sprain, bruise, or localized pain, you can make a turmeric paste to apply directly to the affected area. To make the paste, simply mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with enough water to create a thick consistency. For an extra kick, you can add a pinch of salt, which has its own pain-relieving properties. Apply the paste to the painful area, cover it with a cloth, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. This paste works like a natural anti-inflammatory ointment, reducing swelling and easing pain. Just be careful. Turmeric can stain your skin and clothes, so make sure to use an old towel or cloth. Turmeric is truly a powerhouse when it comes to natural pain relief. Whether you drink it as golden milk or use it as a topical paste, this humble spice can help you manage pain without reaching for over-the-counter medications. So next time you're feeling sore, give turmeric a try and let its natural healing properties work their magic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. And if you have any other turmeric remedies you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you next time. Turmeric dosage advice? When using turmeric, it's important to consider the dosage to maximize its benefits while minimizing potential side effects. Here are some general guidelines for turmeric dosage. 1. For general health. Turmeric powder, as a spice in food, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, about 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams per day. Turmeric supplements, 500 to 2,000 milligrams of turmeric extract per day, often standardized to 95% curcuminoids. 2. For inflammatory conditions, e.g., arthritis. Turmeric supplements. 500 to 1000 milligrams of curcumin per day, often in divided doses, e.g., 250 to 500 milligrams twice daily. 3. For pain relief. Golden milk. Turmeric drink 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder per serving, consumed once or twice daily. Turmeric paste. For external use, mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with water to form a paste. Apply to the affected area as needed, but do not use on broken skin. 4. With black pepper, piperine. To enhance absorption, always consider combining turmeric with black pepper. Piperine, found in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. A small pinch of black pepper per teaspoon of turmeric powder is usually sufficient. 5. Considerations for curcumin supplements. Curcumin extract. If you're using a standardized curcumin extract, typical doses range from 500 to 1500 milligrams per day, often split into 2 doses. Formulations. Some supplements are combined with other ingredients like piperine or phospholipids, as in Meriva or BCM95 formulations, to improve absorption. Safety and side effects. Stomach upset. High doses may cause gastrointestinal discomfort or bloating. Blood thinning. Turmeric has blood-thinning properties, so consult your doctor if you are on blood thinners or have upcoming surgery. Gallbladder issues. If you have gallbladder problems, high doses of turmeric may exacerbate symptoms. Pregnancy. Pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before taking turmeric supplements. Consultation. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.